Hello world, welcome to the channel. Episode 2. In this episode, you will learn guerrilla marketing. Let's get into the topic. Ever felt like your business is lost in the crowd? No matter how hard you try, your competitors seem to grab all the attention. Don't worry, you don't need a huge budget to make your brand shine. The secret weapon, guerrilla marketing, it's creative, impactful, and perfect for a competitive market. What is guerrilla marketing? Guerrilla marketing is about using unconventional strategies to grab attention and make a lasting impression without burning a hole in your pocket. Think of it as the art of surprise in marketing. Unlike traditional ads, this technique thrives on creativity, timing, and relevance. Indian brands that nailed guerrilla marketing. 1. Zomato's witty billboards. Example, Zomato's quirky one-liners, like Match Hoto Zomato on hoardings, and television grab instant attention. Impact. These simple yet smart messages resonate with millennials and foodies, making the brand fun and relatable. Second, Fevicol's creative ads. Example, remember the massive truck billboard with Fevicol ka jod hai tutega nahi? It showed a truck overloaded with people, yet it stayed intact. Impact. It's not just an ad, it's a visual metaphor that sticks, pun intended, in people's minds. 3. Coca-Cola's Small World Machines campaign. Example, Coca-Cola installed interactive vending machines in India and Pakistan, letting people from both countries virtually connect through a live screen. Impact. It wasn't just marketing, it created an emotional bond, reinforcing Coke's message of spreading happiness. 4. Amul's topical campaigns. Example, from cricket wins to Bollywood releases, Amul's creative cartoons comment on every trending topic. Impact. They've been doing it for decades, and each campaign becomes instantly shareable, creating organic buzz. How can you use guerrilla marketing? Here's how small businesses or startups can implement it in India. Leverage festivals. Use Christmas to showcase your brand. Street performances. Organize flash mobs or skits in crowded areas like malls or metro stations to promote your product. Interactive displays. Set up photo booths or challenges at events, encouraging people to click, share, and tag your brand on social media. Offer freebies with a twist. Partner with local chaiwalas to serve tea in cups, branded with your logo and a catchy message. Pro tips for making guerrilla marketing work. 1. Know your audience, keep it relatable. What works in Bangalore might not work in a small town like Mysore. 2. Be timely. Tap into trending topics or cultural moments. 3. Go viral. Add elements that people want to share, like humor, emotions, or an element of surprise. But wait, what happens when guerrilla marketing backfires? Yes, it can go wrong too. In the next video, I'll break down the biggest marketing fails and how to avoid them. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one.